So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can fix the iPhone 17 Pro not turning on. Now, as you can see here, this is not turned on, and for some reason, it actually won't turn on. So what we need to do to be able to fix this, and it's a very simple fix and it can be done within a matter of seconds, is you need to locate the volume up button, the volume down button, and also the lock button on the opposite side. And then all you need to do is quick release the volume up, quick release the volume down, and then hold in the lock button here until you see the Apple logo. So I'll show you how you can do it right now. So you want to volume up, volume down, lock button, and then you want to hold this now until you see the Apple logo, and then it should then turn on. So essentially what you are doing is you are fully resetting the whole device here, and then it will then reload the code, which will then freshly reboot the phone. Now you won't lose any data with this, so any photos, videos, saved passwords and everything like that will all still be available on your iPhone. And if we just wait for this to load up here, what you will notice is that it will turn back on normally and you'll be in the normal mode here. So what I can do is I will just open up the phone, and as you can see, it will work as normal. So again, what you need to do is quick release the volume up, the volume down, and the lock button, just like this: volume up, volume down, lock button. And then you want to click and hold this until you see the Apple logo. Now once you do that, that will then solve the problem that you are having. So I hope this video did help you out, guys. Please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.